Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Anjali and these are the headlines. Section 144 has been implemented throughout the state as COVID cases rise in state and country. However, despite this, there is no implementation of SOPs and business is going as usual, maskless and without any social distancing, including by leaders. The trend of Gram Sabhas opposing the draft CZMP continues with Naveli 2 opposing draft CZMP. Members won the plan prepared by them in 2019. Goa could get light rain and thunderstorms accompanied by lightning, thunder and wind reaching speed of 20 to 30 km per hour at many places in the state as the mercury rises. And now for the news in detail. Section 144 has been imposed over Goa, but this seems to be only on paper as nothing seems to have changed on the ground. Ironically, even as crowds are seen everywhere, the government has banned Shigmo parades. India has showed a steady increase in cases for the 18th day in a row. Goa too is spiking. Recovery rate has further dropped to 94.58%, data said. Here's more.
Yesterday, Goa reported 179 COVID-19 cases. More than 100 cases are being reported past several days. Section 144 was first announced in South Goa followed by North Goa. Section 144 clearly says there is no gathering of more than 5 people. However, nothing like this is actually being cracked down on. Locals are upset as they are afraid of this attitude of the government could result in more restrictions on the state and an economic downturn that could destroy business in state. Even the chief minister and ministers are not following either social distancing or wearing masks, setting a bad example to others. Police though have given up on implementation, a fact admitted by a top cop.
सरकारान 144 इम्पोज केला किती ताजे
सध्या गोंयांत सेकंड स्टेज कोरोनाची चालू आहा आणि सध्या तीन तरेचे कोरोना सध्या आमची इंडियेत चलतात आणि गोंयांत जर आज पयली जाल्यार 189 सुमार केसी आज मेळिल्ले कडेन आहा.
आमगे कुंकळी कितली आसात?
कुंकळी 40 सुमार मेळिल्ले आहा दिसता म्हाका. तातूंत मेन म्हळ्यार आज हो संडे कुंकळीचो मार्केट फूल भरिल्लो आहा आणि काल कलेक्टरान 144 कलम इम्पोज केल्ले आहा. तेन्ना हो जर मार्केट जर पळयलो जाल्यार हांगा 144 आसा दिसना. हांगा कोण सारके मास्क घालना. आज सध्या म्युनिसिपालिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशना कडेन हांगा सध्या कावन्सील फॉर्म जावचे आहा. तेन्ना हें काम सीओचे आशिल्ले सेवनाचे पळोवपाक जाय आशिल्ले बाबा खूब चल्ला तें. आज हो कोरोना जर इतलो वाडलो जाल्यार आमच्या कुंकळी गांवांत चड वाडपाची शक्यताय आहा. इतलो हो मार्केट सध्या सोशल डिस्टन्सींग हांगा कांय फॉलोअप ना. तेन्ना म्हजे कडेन कलेक्टरा कडेन मागणी आहा. जेन्ना 144 तांणी इम्पोज केला तेन्ना तांणी पुलिसांक सांगून हांगा कितें तरी करचें. जे कोण मास्क घालना तांकां फायन दिवपाचें हें काम पुलिसांचें आहा आनी हें करचें. तशेंच म्युनिसिपालिटीनूय हाजेर कितें तरी एक्शन घेवन हें सध्या तरी मातशें कितें स्टॉप दवरपाचें नाल्यार कितें तरी इम्पोज करचें ही म्हजी मागणी.
किती दीस आता न्यू कावन्सील येयले कडेन आसा तांकां कितें सांगपाक सोदता तूं?
कावन्सील फॉर्म जावचे आहा. फॉर्म जातकीर मातशें कितें
कसिनो प्रायड व्हडली पार्टी चलता. शिगमो कॅन्सल करपाक हांगा गर्दी बिर्दी काय जायना. रोग रेलू खंय पळय आतां आनी शिगमो कॅन्सल करता हांकां रोग लागता. आनी पळय कसिनो प्रायड व्हडली पार्टी आनी हेचो तुमकां वखदां बरी गर्दी जाल्ला. थंय डान्स चल्ला पावरफूल घाटयांचो. हे घाटी गोंयांत येवन हांवें डान्स करीत रावतले जाल्यार आमी कोरोना वचो कितें जातलें ताडी. सारकें गोवा नंबर 1 झालो. ही पार्टी करतना काय जायना कोरोना बिरोना. शिगमो करतानाच तो कोरोना आता
अभी तुम्हारा अच्छा सेल हो रहा है. पहले तो एकदम बंद हो गया होगा.
India recorded 62,714 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours in its sharpest one-day spike in nearly 5 months, Health Ministry said. This takes total COVID tally to 1.19 crore. The last recorded biggest spike was registered on October 16 when 63,371 cases were reported, with 312 deaths, the highest surge in nearly 3 months. The total number of fatalities due to the deadly disease stands at 161,552. Maharashtra, a state where large number of tourists are coming to Goa without being tested, recorded nearly 36,000 cases in last 24 hours. Maharashtra is followed by Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Punjab, Gujarat for recording highest cases in last 24 hours. Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are most affected states after Maharashtra. Over 6 crore people have been vaccinated so far in the country, with over 2.5 lakh doses administered in the last 24 hours. Over 3 crore people have been affected in the US, the hardest hit country due to pandemic. India is behind US. Global coronavirus vaccinations have sold past 12.67 crore. Ramesh Naik Raut and Shyam Chari from Kunkulim and Panaji.
The trend of Gram Sabhas opposing the draft CZMP continues, even though the government is trying to explain its stand. Now Naveli too opposed the draft CZMP during the Gram Sabha held on Sunday, with members unanimously passing a resolution that the CZMP plan prepared by them in 2019 be taken. Here's more.
CZMP has become a topic of hot debates in Gram Sabhas across the state. Earlier, almost every other Gram Sabha in the south had rejected the CZMP, citing that churches' houses were not shown and their village was shown in the port limits of the MPT. There was an uproar during the public hearing on objections and suggestions to draft the CZMP, due to which the hearings were postponed. Now, the Naveli Gram Sabha has rejected the CZMP draft by government agencies. Instead, they want the government to approve their village CZMP drafted by a team constituted by the villagers.
CZMP, the Panchayat has disapproved of the plan which is sent आम्ही धाडलो प्लॅनाचे आणि आम्ही स्पेशल टीम कान विलेजर्सा हेल्प घेवन एक प्लॅन प्रिपेर करून धाडलो 2019 तो आमगे मागून तेजको आमकां गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आमगेले मागणी strongly oppose to the western bypass. They want the height of the bridge to be increased to 5.5 and they want a steep bridge which was on the Salpe link. Sarge strongly all Zai and Loka Zalole. So एक joint meeting Tarapa decision केला ex-MLA with the present MLA, government officials, that is the principal, chief engineer, contractor and the PWD officials with the Telauli Panchayat and the Panch members together.
2019 आम्ही CZMP प्लॅन केलो आणि हे सगळे लोक नावेलीचे एकठांय जावन आपलो गांव सांबाळपाक, आपलो गांव बरो दवरपाक म्हणून आम्ही हो CZMP प्लॅन करून आम्ही सरकाराक धाडलो आणि आमकां खूब बरें दिसलें की सरकार आमचें आयकतलो. पूण जेन्ना नवो प्लॅन आयला सरकारान कांयच आयकुना, एकूय दवरुना, घरां सुद्दां दाखोवना लोकांची, कांयच दाखोवना. वयल्यान MPTची टेरिटरी म्हूण दाखयल्या. हें कितें? MPT गांवांत कसो येवंक शकता रे? MPT तूं भायर न्ही, पोर्ट आसा, बोटी आसा, सामान येता वता, थंय दाखोवपाचें. हांगा MPT गरजूच ना. हांगा MPT दाखयलें म्हणल्यार तूं MPTचो कब्जो गांवार करता, पंचायतीन करता, पंचायतीचे रायट्स, म्युनिसिपालिटीचे रायट्स काडून व्हरता. अशें जावपाक जायना. मागीर डेमोक्रेसी खंय उरली? डेमोक्रेसी म्हण ती उरपाक जाय न्ही. लोकांचो पावर न्ही, लोक वोट मारून इलेक्ट करतात सरकाराक. सो ते वोटाचो इम्पॉर्टन्स दवरपाक जाय न्ही. सो आमी तें म्हणटात बाबा तुमी वोटाचो इम्पॉर्टन्स दवरा म्हणून.
आज रेझोल्युशन
पास जालें की 2019 जो आमी प्लॅन सबमीट केला तोच दवरचो म्हणून आनी आमकां नवो नाका म्हणून.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Naveli.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa could get high-speed connectivity in each village, a need of the hour if latest discussion between the Chief Minister and the centre are to be believed. However, the moot issue is when, given the state of connectivity in the villages, online classes and the COVID situation. Here's more.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Saturday held discussions with Union Minister for Information Technology Ravi Shankar Prasad on the BharatNet scheme for Goa as to ensure high-speed connectivity in each village. The Department of Information said on Sunday, Prasad was in state for the inauguration of new High Court building. Sawant is also said to have brought up the issue of the ongoing project of electronic manufacturing cluster at Tue. Goa 365 Bureau.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the 75th edition of his monthly radio address, Man Ki Baat, on Sunday. In address, he greeted everyone on Holi, Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, Bihu, Navratri. Here are the highlights.
Last year in March, we observed Janta Curfew. It became an inspiration for the entire world as it was an extraordinary example of discipline. We showed our love and respect for Corona warriors. We were striving hard to get Corona vaccine. Today, we are conducting the biggest vaccine program in the world. I am happy to see that people are getting vaccine doses from across the country. Mithali Raj has inspired many women and men in the world. I congratulate her for scoring 10,000 runs in women's cricket. I am happy that daughters are creating a niche for themselves in sports and other segments in life. It is in month of March when we will celebrate Women's Day and many women players have won medals and make records. Farmers should adopt new alternatives along with traditional farming to boost income, create more employment opportunities. We are known for manufacturing bee wax and I want farmers to join bee farming. We recently observed World Sparrow Day. As summers approach, we should try hard to save sparrows as well as other birds and animals. It is the 10th year of tsunami that struck Japan. In 2004, India was hit by a similar tsunami and we lost 14 lighthouse keepers. I pay my respect and tribute to them.
Holi will be celebrated on Monday, but this time under the shadow of coronavirus and a rising corona shadow too. Section 144 is in place and the government is talking about SOPs. Here are the details.
On the day of Holi, Rang Panchami is being held in various parts of Goa. People are in the festive mood. Last year, Holi was celebrated before the nationwide lockdown. Now this festive season of colors have come under the shadow of coronavirus. Let us revive the moments of past Holi. Government won't hold an official Shigmo, but various places in Goa have already braced up to celebrate Shigmo and Holi. Watch the arrangements of Holi at Pernem. People are carrying betel nut tree. There is no official Shigmo, but Divda Circle in Panji was dressed up to create Shigmo environment. Tourists have gathered up in Goa during Holi weekend. Gulal was celebrated at Shantadurga Pike Temple at Pazakani. Shamchari, Sandeep Kamulkar and Ramesh Naik Rath for Goa 365 from Panji, Pernem and Kunkolim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A last-minute goal by Kalangut Association saw them claw back from a 1-0 deficit in their match against Sporting Club de Goa. The final score was 2-2. However, the game was marred by unseemly conduct by club officials after the final whistle. Now for the weather. Goa is experiencing hot weather these days and also light to moderate rain in some places. Now to light rain to thunderstorms could prevail at isolated places in state on Sunday night and Monday, IMD predicted. The light rain is likely to be accompanied by lightning, thunder and winds reaching speed of 20 to 30 km per hour. Maximum temperature is likely to fall by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. Here are the details.
There was no large change in minimum and maximum temperature, and it was above normal over the state. The lowest minimum temperature of 27.8 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji, and highest maximum temperature of 35 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji. Light rain, thundershowers on Sunday and Monday, likely to accompanied by lightning winds. Sky will remain partly cloudy. Haze likely in the morning. Maximum temperatures to be around 24 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperatures to be around 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.gaw365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Gaw365TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gaw365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.